We're spending £4.1 million. We're replacing 3.6 kilometres of existing 33,000 volt underground cables between our Persley and Aberdeen substations in Aberdeen. Part of these works is actually for us to install another third cable between the two substations. The reason we're doing this is to increase the capacity of the network going forward, which will kind of help our customers, for the installation of kind of heat pumps, electric car chargers and other low carbon technologies. So to reduce the overall length of the route, we've decided to go directly across the River Don using the horizontal directional drill that you can see behind me here. This really kind of reduces the overall disruption to our community by allowing us to take a more direct route between the two substations. We've got two main kind of contractors delivering the works on our behalf. We've got Inverness Paving delivering the main cabling works over the 3.6 kilometres. We've also got Nicol of Skene, who have got the task of undertaking the challenging drill underneath the River Don.
Horizontal directional drilling is the ability to be able to drill from point A to point B without having any open cut works and being able to negotiate obstacles such as railways, roads, rivers and challenging ground conditions. The drilling operators are able to steer the drilling tools whilst it's underground. We use a tracing system which allows us to do a walkover scan to track where the drill head is at any point in the ground. The drill shot we're undertaking at the moment is going from the Persley substation up into Dainston. It's about 400 metres long. We've got 3 different drill shots to do in total. We'll be pulling through 3 different ducts in each of the drill shots to install the new cables for SSE. We've been able to take a direct route under the river. We've saved about 1.5 kilometres of the cable route, minimising local disruption to communities.
The community is really important to us. We do a lot of engagement beforehand. We do a lot of engagement during the works as well to keep them informed and updated. We knock on doors, we kind of speak to local businesses and ensure that they're up to speed with what we're doing and why we're doing it. The modern power cables and communication cables we're putting in will increase the network reliability of the network. In doing so, we'll increase the security of supply, reduce restoration times in the likely event of a fault, and really provide our customers a safe, secure and reliable network for our customers for the long term.